Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you some of the most common interface components in Photoshop. First, the menu bar. This is one of the basic elements of Adobe Photoshop and it is located at the very top of your window. In this section you will find some options and commands that are grouped into different categories. The menu bar consists of 12 items: File, Edit, Image, Layer, Type, Select, Filter, 3D, View, Plugins, Window, and Help. Each of them has different tools or options that you can use for your project. In previous versions of Photoshop, there were fewer than 12 items. Next is the Options bar. This element consists of common options for which tool that you have selected. For example, if you use a text tool, the option bar's content will change to the most commonly used tool. Then there is the Tools bar. From the word itself, Tools, in this bar you will see different elements that you will use to create and manipulate your artwork or project. You might notice that there are some tools that have a small triangle in the bottom right corner, which means there are more options to use. Same group but different functionalities. Next is Panel Dock or Panel Menus. In this section, you will see different options and commands that you will use for your project. They are similar to the Options bar, but this one has more necessary functions to use. One of the most important parts of this section is the Layers panel. This is where you will see everything that you add or edit in your document window. For a more in-depth lesson about layers, please see the link in the description below. To add more panels or windows to this section, go to Window, and select any panel from the list. Simply drag that into the panel dock to add that section. And last is the document window. This part of the Photoshop interface is the most important because it is the place where you will edit or create your project. If you work with multiple files, each of them will appear in a tab format, similar to an internet browser. That's it. The most common Photoshop interface that you will see. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.